Schools don't have to go through a mock inspection before the real thing. Teachers don't have to write a detailed lesson plan for every lesson to give to the inspectors. Schools don't have to set up meetings between their key partners and the inspection team. There isn't an Estyn-approved lesson structure or pattern. For example, for a lesson to be judged as effective, teachers don't need to set out the learning objective formally at the beginning of a lesson and finish with a plenary. Schools don't need to revise their policies and schemes of work before the inspectors arrive. Inspection judgments aren't made purely on performance data prior to the inspection week or as a result of a school's categorisation. Schools don't have to write a brand new self-evaluation report for an inspection or use hyperlinks in it to their policies and other documents. An aspect of a school's provision doesn't need to be unique to achieve an excellent judgment. Schools don't need to create opportunities for pupils to show their skills in ICT, numeracy, literacy and Welsh in every lesson. Inspectors don't keep their findings to themselves. They will share them with senior leaders and the nominee before the end of the inspection.